Hi, today with some simple ingredients I made a great dish and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious as well. Oh, delicious, fabulous. Let me show you how I did it. Our ingredients for today's dish are mince meat, onions, mushroom, spinach, red and green bell pepper, garlic, paprika, black pepper, salt, and tortilla. Always have your ingredients prepped and ready. It makes cooking smoother and more enjoyable. I start with frying mince meat. It will take probably about 10-15 minutes to fry the meat and make sure 100% cooked. We constantly stir so that the meat doesn't get burned. You don't need to add any oil because the meat itself has fat and it's going to help frying. As you see, our meat is already getting ready, and after that we are starting with our vegetables. We transfer the meat to another dish, and in the same skillet we start with onion. We're frying onion. We fry onion until it's become translucent. If I see the skillet is a little bit dry, I add some olive oil. You can use any oil that you like, avocado oil, olive oil, any other oil. So you see the onions are becoming more translucent, and that's the consistency we want. Now we add our bell pepper, green and red bell pepper, and saute those with the onions together. That's a beautiful color, and I'm sure it's going to taste very good. This will take a few minutes too. You don't want to cook it truly because we need a little bit of a bite to the vegetables. Mushrooms are going to go next, and we're going to saute mushrooms until it loses its moisture, because the mushroom has a lot of water in it and we don't want a watery dish. We just make sure that all the water evaporates. Now I add the diced garlic, and with garlic we have to be very fast because it's going to burn. Now smell garlic fills your kitchen, which is good. We can add a little bit of a tomato paste, and we just saute the tomato. Now I am gonna add my spinach. A little bit roughly chop the spinach. You don't have to chop it fine, but just chop it roughly. And then we put our spices, which is salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Okay. And stir well to make sure that is being seasoned. Should be seasoned well. So we added all the ingredients, and then after that we're gonna bring the meat and let the meat introduce itself to the other vegetables. Okay, meat is in, we stir it well. The main portion of cooking is done. Now we're gonna go and do the second portion, which is the assembly with the tortilla and cheese and the oven. Let's do that part now. Now we're gonna start our assembly. We put some of the cooked ingredients into the tortilla, flour tortilla, cheese, and then roll them and put them here to go to the oven. Just maybe scoop and a half. That should be good enough for one tortilla. Some cheese and gently roll it. And you can always close the ends too, so that nothing falls off. The next one. Some more cheese. Okay, last one. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Some cheese. Okay. Simple and delicious. Let's go here. Now we're gonna hit this assembly with some cheese on top and let it go to the oven. Yeah, the oven is 250 degrees. We put it in the oven for another 20 minutes and everything would be ready after 20 minutes. Our dinner is ready. Let's take it out of the oven. Let's taste. Oh, delicious, fabulous. I hope you follow my recipe and share it with your friends and family. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow my channel.